Peppa Pig and the Little Train. Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig. Bang! Crash! Bang! Bang! What's that noise? asked Peppa. Grandpa Pig is building a surprise for you, says Granny Pig. Toot toot! Chuck chuck! Come out, Grandpa, shouts Peppa. We want to see the surprise. Grandpa Pig drives the surprise out of the shed. Oh, it's a toy train, says Peppa. Vroom, says George. It is not a toy, says Grandpa. This is a Gertrude. She is a miniature locomotive. Peppa and George like the little train. Can we go for a ride? asked Peppa. All aboard, says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig's little train doesn't need railroad tracks. It has tires. The train climbs up the hill. Peppa sings. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug 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 all through the town. Hello, Peppa, calls Danny. Ahoy there, says Granddad Dog. I see you are playing toy trains. Gertrude is not a toy, says Grandpa Pig. She is a miniature locomotive. How is your little truck? My truck is a work vehicle, says Granddad Dog. Can I ride on the train? asked Danny. Well, if you'd rather play trains. Thanks, Granddad, says Danny. The little train stops. There's another vehicle in the road. It's Miss Rabbit. She is taking some students on a bus tour. I like your toy train, says Miss Rabbit. It is not a toy, says Peppa. It's a miniature locomotive. Peppa's school friends are on the bus. They like Grandpa's little train. They want a ride too. Who wants to ride on Grandpa Pig's little train? asked Miss Rabbit. I do, shouts Susie Sheep. Me too, call the others. Zoe leads the way. The others follow. Everybody sings. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug 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 all through the town. Grandpa Pig stops at the playground. Peppa goes down the slide. Grandpa goes down the slide too. Back on the train, Grandpa sees Miss Rabbit's bus again. What happened? The bus is stuck in the mud. Granddad Dog tries to pull the bus from the mud. He pulls and pulls, but the bus won't budge. Don't worry, says Grandpa Pig. This little train can help. Grandpa hooks a rope to the bus. Chug chug, pull pull. The bus is free. Toot toot. There's a nice big muddy puddle left behind. Everybody puts on their boots. It's time to jump. Thank you, Grandpa Pig. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos.